Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel The Study Point. So in this video we are going to discuss today's HTET 2025-26 Biology section of PGT Level 3 question paper. So पहला question देखते हैं, question number 91. The exponential growth can be mathematically expressed as W1 is equals to W0 e to the power RT. So option number C will be the correct answer. Which pigment is water soluble? So anthocyanin is water soluble. Option number D. What happens in interkinases? In interkinases, there is preparation of second meiotic division. That is option number C will be the correct answer. Next question 94. Question says, who proposed cell lineage theory by stating that hominis cellula is cellula? So correct answer is option number B, Rudolf Virchow. Which division is characteristics of cartilage cells, meganucleus of paramecium and fetal membrane? So correct answer is option number D, that is A, mitosis. Moving to next question, question number 96. Phytohormones was term coined by, so it was coined by F.W. Wendt. Option number B will be the correct answer. An ovule which becomes curved so that the nucellus and embryo sac lie at right angle to the funicle is hemitropous. Option number B will be correct. Reclamation and little leaf disease caused by deficiency of copper and zinc. Option number B will be the correct answer. Question number 99. The first 5 carbon dicarboxylic acid in Krebs cycle which is used in nitrogen metabolism is alpha ketoglutaric acid. Option number B will be the correct answer. Muramic acid is present in the cell wall of bacteria and blue-green algae. Option number A will be the correct answer. When cell has stalled DNA replication fork, which checkpoint should be predominantly activated? So option number C, G1S will be the correct answer. Question number 102. A cells become turgid due to endoosmosis. Option number B will be correct. The movement of pollen tube is propic movement. Option number A will be correct. Question number 104. The reaction that is responsible for the primary fixation of carbon dioxide is catalyzed by which of the following enzymes in C4 plant? So it is TP carboxylase. PEP carboxylase, option number B. Which breaks dormancy of potato tuber? So answer number A, option number A, gibberellins will be the correct answer. Next question. 106. Which of the following combinations are present in plant cell but not in animal cell? So option number A, cell walls and plastids are present in plant cell but not in animal cell will be the correct answer. Question number 107. Which of the following is not the feature of the lysosome? So option number C, perform photosynthesis will be the correct answer. Next question. Double membrane cell organelle which produces high energy rich molecule called ATP. It has its own genetic material. So it is option number B, that is mitochondria. Very easy questions. If your father has brown eyes, you may also have brown eyes. If your mother has curly hair, you may also end up having curly hair. This transfer of characteristics is due to transfer of chromosomes. Quite easy question paper as compared to the previous year ones. It's very easy. One of the most easiest question paper I've ever seen in HTET exams. The cells in quiescent state denote phase of the cell cycle exits from the S phase. Option number A will be correct. The phase of cell cycle that lasts for least time is M phase. Option number D will be correct. The enzyme recombinase functions during packaging. Option number B will be correct. Next question, 113. Which of the following is not a feature of diakinesis stage of prophase 1 of meiosis? So decondensation of the chromatin. Option number C will be the correct answer. Parallel venation is found in. So parallel venation is a characteristics of monocot plant. और यहाँ पे शुगर केन मेज एंड वीट इन सब में पाया जाता है, पीपल में नहीं पाया जाता. सो ये स्टार मार्क क्वेश्चन है. मे बी आपको इस क्वेश्चन में बोनस मार्किंग जो है देखने को मिले जिन्होंने अटेम्प्ट किया है. Next question, 115. Which type of tissue forms gland? So option number A, epithelial, will be the correct answer. The bone of mammal contains Haversian canals, which are connected by transverse canals known as Waxman canal. Option number C will be the correct answer. क्वाइट इजी क्वेश्चन पेपर, इसमें आप देख सकते हैं कि बिल्कुल भी जो है हार्ड लैंग्वेज नहीं है, कोई बड़े क्वेश्चंस नहीं है, लेंदी क्वेश्चंस नहीं है, बहुत डायरेक्ट और सिंपल जो है क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए हैं, कॉम्प्लेक्स कुछ भी नहीं है. Which of the following is true for Ferritima? Ferritima earthworm को बोलते हैं. It can copulate throughout the year whenever it rains. Is true. So option number C will be the correct answer. Collarogen cells of the Ferritima are specialized for excretion. Option number C will be the correct answer. Next question. Cockroach blood does not contain respiratory pigment. It means oxygen reaches tissues through tracheoles. Option number C will be the correct answer. The end product of fat digestion is, so fat digestion का end product होता है हमारे पास both A and B, that is fatty acid and glycerol. D will be the correct answer. Gastric glands release hydrochloric acid HCl and a protein digesting enzyme called pepsin of mucus. Vibrations in the ear are amplified by three bones, namely Malleus incus stapes इनका नाम होता है, वैसे इनको हैमर, एनविल और स्टिरअप भी बोला जाता है. सो ऑप्शन नंबर ए विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 123. Which of the following receptors are responsible for detection of smell? So olfactory for smell. Which of the following parts of the human body contains gustatory receptors? So it is option number C. Tongue will be the correct answer. Next question. Which hormone is found in the pregnancy kit? HCG is found. Human chorionic gonadotropin. If Cooper's glands are removed, they will affect the male reproductive parts में Cooper's gland present होते हैं and they affect lubrication during copulation. So अगर ये नहीं हुए तो lubrication will be affected. Which of the following is not a part of genitalia of the female reproductive system? Vestibule, clitoris, mons pubis भी होता है. Cornea is a part of eye, not reproductive system. Option number D will be the correct answer. The shortest phase in the menstrual cycle is, so it is the ovulatory phase. Ovulatory phase कुछ घंटों के लिए ही last करती है, 24 से 48 घंटे के लिए. So option number B will be the correct answer. The layer of the cells immediately surrounding the ovum but outside the zona pellucida are called corona radiata. Option number A. काफी spelling mistakes देखने को मिल सकती हैं हमें. Capacitation refers to changes in the, so it is the changes in the sperm before fertilization. Option number D will be the correct answer. 131. Compared to the initial filtrate form, human kidney can produce urine that is approximately 4 times more concentrated. Option number B will be correct answer. Which substance are primarily responsible for maintaining the concentration gradient? So urea and NaCl. Option number B will be the correct answer. Question 133. Which enzyme is responsible for the conversion of inactive fibrinogens to fibrins? So it is carried out by thrombin. Option number B will be the correct answer. Suppression of ADH release will most directly result in, it will result in increased urine volume. Here also there is a spelling mistake. So option number C will be correct. 135. What is the term used for the total volume of the person, total volume a person can breathe in after normal expiration? So it is inspiratory capacity. Option number B will be correct. Question 136. Which of the following chemical agent is used for fumigation? So formaldehyde is used for fumigation. Option number A will be correct. Pusa Gaurav, developed by breeding for disease resistance against aphids. It is a variety of rapeseed mustard. NCERT-based question, direct. Which of the following is not an objective of biofortification? So improved resistance to diseases is not an objective. 139. Which microbe is used in the process of bioremediation to recreate harmful pollutant in the environment? So it is Pseudomonas foetida. Option number C will be the correct answer. Which microorganism is responsible for food spoilage and can lead to foodborne illness? That is Salmonella enterica. What is the main aim of biology teaching? So developing scientific attitude. 142. What does active learning mean? It means Students actively participate. Option number B. What is the main purpose of laboratory work in biology? To develop scientific skills. Option number B will be the correct answer. Constructivism, according to constructivism, learning occurs by building on prior knowledge. Option number B will be correct. Moving to next question, 145. What is the main advantage of demonstration method in biology? So it is B, visualizes scientific processes. Sockets found in chrysanthemum. B will be correct. Moving to next question, we have 147. What maintains the shape of the cell? So it is turgor pressure which maintains the shape of the cell. Brown rot of beets is due to deficiency of boron. So question number 149. So question says in C4 plants, carbon cycle enzymes are present in. It is present in the chloroplast of the bundle sheet cells. Option number B will be correct. In capsula, the pollen tube enters through the micropyle. Therefore, the fertilization is porogamous. Entering through the pore, micropyle, so it is porogamous. Option number D will be the correct answer. So that's all for biology section. We discussed all the 60 questions of our biology PGT level 3 HTET examination. So according to me, the question was not at all difficult. Moderate कहना भी इसमें गलती होगा because the question paper was quite easy. Many of the questions were directly NCERT based. And जिन्होंने ग्रेजुएशन एंड पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन की है ऑलरेडी पीजीटी का एग्जाम दे रहे हैं सो आई थिंक द क्वेश्चन पेपर वाज क्वाइट इजी फॉर यू ऑल एंड आपने कम से कम इसमें 40 प्लस तो स्कोर किया ही होगा. So that's all. If you like the video, hit a like button and also subscribe to my channel. Comment for any query. Thank you for watching.